Hi everyone, want to create stunning, automated PowerPoint presentations like this one? It's the age of AI. We no longer need to spend hours on manual work. Previously, I showed you how to use Gamma AI to create automated presentations. Today, I'll guide you through an even simpler and easier method for fully automated PowerPoint creation. For newcomers to my channel, Future AI Son. Provides tutorials on AI tools to help you work more efficiently. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos. Comment, like, and share what you enjoyed and any areas for improvement, and suggest any AI tools you'd like me to review. Now, what are we going to do? First, we need to create some content. Let's assume you don't have any content yet. For a presentation PowerPoint, I'll describe a prompt for a PowerPoint file I haven't created yet. Let's say I describe it like this. ChatGPT will generate the structure for me. Once we have this structure, what's the next step? I'll paste it into a Word document opening parenthesis .doc or .docx to edit it. Then automatically import it. Okay, so after we have the content ... let's assume you already have the content and paste it here. Whether you have content prepared or not, you can follow the same process. I'll copy it here. I'll paste the content. Then I'll open a Word document and I'll paste it here. To keep it simple, I'll remove everything else. But to make it easier to visualize, the principle for automatic conversion from a Word file to a PowerPoint file is as follows. The rule is that the title is H1. The subtitle is H2. I have too much extra stuff here, so I'll remove it. This size one will be H1. H2. And these subpoints will be H3. I'll remove this too. And this. Remove all the extra formatting like this. I'll keep the content to make it easier to see. I'll remove this. The first slide, slide 2, and slide 3. H1, H2, H3. Continue formatting like this. If you already have the content, do the same. Create H1, H2, H3 headings. H1, H2, then H3, and so on. Continue. This is also H3. H1, H2, H1, H2. For slide 4, I'll add the skills section. I'll consider this an H2. And this is an H3. Supplementing the point above, just keep formatting like this. You could also combine these 2 points into a separate H1. Slide 5. Repeat the process. I'll demonstrate this to help you visualize. My quick method only requires this step. Okay, this is the last slide. I'll remove this too. I'll make this an H1. I'll call this an H1. H1, H2. Okay, done. Once finished, you must save the file. Save as. Save it as an RTF file. Select RTF. I'll click it. Now that we have this file, open PowerPoint. Then open PowerPoint and create a new file. So you can see. New. Completely blank. I'll delete this. Completely empty, then click New Slide. Select Outline. Then select the RTF file we just created. Select it. See, it automatically creates everything. There, some extra content might be due to my earlier mistake. Slide 1. I might have made a mistake somewhere. Okay, this one here. Slide number 1. See, I made a mistake. This is slide 2. This whole thing. Slide 3. Okay, I'll save it again. 1, 2. I'll create a new one. Again, the previous one was incorrect. Load. Save. I'll open a new one. A new one. Delete. Then select outline. I'll select the RTF file. There. Now it's complete. See? Do you see? It's very complete. If you're not satisfied, you can manually adjust it, but that's the method. Okay, after this, you need to pay attention to one thing. It must be the Office suite, Microsoft 365 and versions 16.91. Licenses other than 365. Pay attention, it must be this version for it to allow you the function of auto design editing. Other versions won't have this feature, and you'll have to pay. If Microsoft 365 is affordable, you can check the Microsoft Office website. I won't cover that here, okay? Then click on Design. You'll see the designer icon. Click it. It will suggest some design options. But if you want to add more visual interest, you can search for images. For example, I'll select picture. Okay, let's say I'm working on AI. I'll search for AI. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll insert. When you insert the first image, go to Design. It will suggest some title options. Let's say I click on this. It will suggest many options. Many design options. Choose whichever you like. Let's say I choose the first one. I'll select similar templates. Don't worry about. Just choose a template first. When you choose a template, it will consistently use that theme. So don't worry. Okay, next. It will continue using that style. Choose all the templates you like. There are many templates, and we'll just use CMD to quickly see what we like. There are many, quite a lot. Let's say I choose. There are many templates. The text you care about. Okay, we'll choose more. Do you see? A template will consistently use the same style, so we don't have to worry. Select all. There are many, and there are many templates to choose from. And sometimes we never imagined there would be more templates than Gamma. However, Gamma also has its advantages. I'll cover that later. Okay, there are many. Just choose. I'll try to show you many versions for you. Finished already? It's not that many, actually. It's still a lot. I finished selecting. Now, the most important thing is to uniformly adjust the font. Click on View. When you click View, select Slide Master. Okay, select Slide Master. For Windows, press Ctrl. But for me, I'll select this area. On Mac, select this. Then select the font. I think you should choose fonts without underlines for a more modern look. For example, I'll choose this font. Okay, it automatically applies to everything. Do you see it applies to everything? Okay, once it's applied, click Close. It's a pity I can't see the font size adjustment here. Font size. There. Why am I saying this? Because usually, a font like this, do you see it adjusts everything? All the fonts are adjusted. A standard font. Usually, it's quite good here. Let's see if there's any small text. Here, for example, this. Because according to the principles, in PowerPoint, in education, the font size should be at least 14. or larger so that people can read it. This is too small, very hard to read, and the text shouldn't be too light. So adjust the text that looks okay. Then manually adjust anything you're not satisfied with. For example, this is too small. You have to adjust it manually or choose a different template to make it clearer there. Make it clearer because that one is too small to see anything. For example, choose this to make it clearer. Now let's see how it looks. See, it's very nice, uniform. And there are many options naturally. I'm just demonstrating this method. With this method, you see, sometimes I need to adjust the layout, which isn't always perfect. It has some, but not enough intelligence. I hope in future versions, Microsoft will update to make it more intelligent, to make it smarter. In this video, I'm just sharing how you can use PowerPoint with the version Office 365. In the next video, I'll show you advanced Gamma techniques and how to use Gamma. Like last time with Gamma, limited to 10 slides, I created a file, for example, a file I made with more slides. You see, I created a slide with more than 10. 22 slides, and it was very easy. In the next video, I will guide you through that. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.